Thank you, doctor, for being a guest at Mumbai, all the way from Egypt. So,
Yes.
plastic surgeon, well known from Egypt.
Thank you.
So, how was your experience, doctor?
My experience here is very good. Dr. Nijam told me much more about hair transplantation and the secrets of hair transplantation, and I can proceed this market business in my country, in Egypt, and it's fine for me to stay 2 weeks here with Dr. Nijam.
Okay, and why did you choose us rather than maybe the other academics in the world?
I think the results and the course you sent to me at the email, I found it marvelous, and I found it's the cost of the training also is so cheap rather than other courses.
And I think that ISHR discussed both the technical aspects and how to spread your business to the Gulf and Egypt, right?
Yes.
So both the aspects.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So see you soon, doctor. Keep coming.
Thank you.
And all the best for your future career.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
Nijam.
Yeah.
Thank you.